Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Well, this video can be for everyone, but it's kind of dedicated to students because, well, I've been there and I know how hard it can be to get some extra money, doesn't matter how you want to spend them. And another thing, asking mom and dad for some cash, it's not quite the solution because even if they give you some money, well, you will always need more. It's the same for adults, but that's another subject. So in this video, we will talk about some side hustles for college students in quarantine because I don't want you to get bored. So let's begin. Because we live in the digital era and because I'm sure you spend 90% of your time on social media or just randomly browsing the internet, the very first idea is to write an ebook. You may not have writing skills, but I'm pretty sure you have some imagination. So I'll give you some topics for your very first ebook and then I will show you where you can publish it for free. First topic, you know why we are all staying today these days or months, hopefully not for so long. But the point is that you can write about it. You don't necessarily have to write a real story, but I'm sure that people will get curious and they will buy your ebook. You can make different scenarios about how this period will end, or you can create a story about what people do while in quarantine, or if you want to, you can go even more specific and write how is a student's life during quarantine. The second topic and the last one, because I also want you to work on your success, well, the second one is to write about future in your own way. And here, all you have to do is to create a nice scenario, and because you will be talking about future that we don't know and we can't see it, well, you can write whatever you want. Trust me, people like this kind of stories and you don't have to write a novel, but you want to make it captivating since the beginning. I'm pretty sure that you can remember some movies that kind of start with the end and then they go back, and maybe it's a very boring one, but the idea is that it's captivating at the beginning, so people like it. Now that you're done, you can publish for free your very first ebook through Kindle Direct Publishing. If you want to take a look and see exactly how it works and how much you can earn, you can just check kdp.amazon.com. Oh, and if you like the idea, you can also create series, so you will always have something to publish in the same niche. Of course, there are many more ideas, and if you're good at something, don't hesitate to write on that topic. More is targeted, more sales you have, okay? The second side hustle that you can do from home, well, it's kind of specific for patient people. And yes, you're right, I'm talking about transcriptions. You will basically have to transcribe audio files into written documents. So if you have a computer or a laptop and good skills for this kind of job as spelling, grammar, punctuation skills, and also the ability to type fast, well, this kind of job is for you. You can start searching on Google or Upwork for this kind of jobs, or you can post your job on Fiverr, for example. The next one is Voice Captioner, and the best thing about this home job is that they can pay you up to $75 per hour, of course, and you can also find part-time jobs. But what does a voice captioner do exactly? Well, you will have to write in real time some TV shows or videos, and at the same time you will have to be 99% accurate. You will basically produce near instantaneous transcriptions of the spoken words into text. It's not a super easy side job, and sometimes you will have to have experience, but you can find many agencies that need voice captioners, and if you like it and you're good at it, you can make a career and make a very good living. Okay guys, if you're not scared by the last job, we can move on with some easy, and I really mean easy jobs that you can do from home without any kind of experience. I'm sure that you have heard about affiliate marketing, and yes, I just wanted to include this here because all you have to do is to do some work first and then wait for the results. You can start by using JVZoo or ClickBank. I just like these two the most, and if you're not from the USA, that you can check out Digistore24. And there are many ways that you can promote a product online for free. You can write Medium reviews, post on Pinterest, on Facebook groups, and so on. It may take you some hours to see how it works, but fortunately there are plenty free YouTube videos that will teach you this, and I highly recommend you to try it because it's really an easy way to make some extra cash. Now let's see something that for some of you may be easy and for others not. But if you are a good student, well, the next online side hustle that I will present you is online tutoring. If you are a good student that excels at certain subjects and you like to help or teach others, then tutoring may be a very fulfilling job that pays quite well. You can start with Czech tutors if you are just good at everything, or if you want to teach English, you can check out these sites like Magic Ears. You can earn up from $20 to $26 per hour doing these kind of jobs, which I think it's pretty good. Let's move on with something that doesn't require so much knowledge, and it's also flexible, so you will be able to do this even when schools will be open again. Become a search engine evaluator. Search engines like Google, Bing, or Yahoo need to make sure that everything is running how it's supposed to, so they are paying people from $12 to $15 per hour. These kind of jobs are available worldwide in different languages as well, and you can start by applying on this website called apon.com. Guys, there are many more online opportunities like blogging or YouTube channel or selling stuff online, but in my opinion, these kind of jobs are more for those that want a full-time job or even make a career in these fields. And I'm really honest when I say that it takes a lot of time and patience, and even if in a long term you can earn a lot of money and kind of reach that financial freedom, if you are a college student, well, maybe you won't have time to do both. And it's quite important to study as well because, for example, if you want to become a doctor, well, you can do this online. Also, many of you don't want or don't like to work from home and make a schedule for yourself or risk money or invest money. So, these side jobs that I just showed you are very good if you want to make some extra money during college. And you will also have time to study and, of course, free time for yourself. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, leave a comment or a like, and you can also subscribe because I will be posting more content like this with other unique side jobs or full-time jobs or other ways to make money online. I'll see you next time, and I wish you all a profitable quarantine. Bye bye!